I am way too excited for this video. So, if you can't tell, we have a brand new studio that I put together and I am so pumped to be recording in here. It started out, I was recording over here and it just wasn't a big enough space. I thought that if we did it like this, like if we were to do the videos where you can see me, it feels more like we're in person. So I wanted to give it a try. I didn't even do my hair, my anything. I'm literally just coming inside from working out in the garden and I wanted to give it a practice go. I had this whipped cranberry butter that I'm working on for a video. So there is a spoiler for you. This video will be coming out probably next week. I still have to edit it, but I wanted to do a practice run and see how the studio looks, see what you think. See how it feels to record in here because it's completely different for me. So let's dive in. Let's whip up this whipped cranberry butter. Oh, and just know you're gonna see me adjust the angle a couple of times. This is brand new to me. I've never actually recorded this way, so I'm still getting used to it. If I'm not making eye contact with you, I promise I will get better. Like I said, this is my very first time doing this. So let's take our whipped cranberry butter. Now, whenever I make a video, you guys only ever see me make it one time, but I typically make it a handful of times because I like to come through, I like to test it, I like to make changes to it and make sure it's the recipe and the formula that I want to put on the channel. So this is me doing the test go for my cranberry butter. So what I like to do is only put one mixer on here when I'm mixing up the whipped body butter. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a really good mix. Now what I'm gonna do, we are at this consistency. So we are at a very soupy-like consistency and you're gonna be thinking like, man, this is not gonna harden up enough. What you have to do, leave it to sit because it is going to harden up quite a bit more than where it's at right now. Just go ahead, leave it on the counter for a couple of hours and allow it to completely cool down. So just going to leave this here for now. We'll come back in a couple of hours. Thing that I don't like about this is my floor right here is very squeaky. I don't know what you do for a squeaky floor, but that's going to impede with my videos a little bit, no? Maybe I'll have to stand real still when I'm recording. Maybe I scooch it up more. I don't know. Or I scooch it back a little bit. It's not squeaky right here. Okay. We'll have to figure out the squeaking in the video because that is not going to jive. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to leave this to cool a little bit. Then we'll come back. We'll finish whipping it up. And now that we have that all whipped up, absolutely amazing. And there is your finished whipped cranberry butter. I am absolutely in love with how it turned out. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the studio. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out angles and how I'm going to record in here and all of that stuff. But I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek while I practice recording in here. Still haven't figured out what I'm going to do about the squeaky floor spot, like if I move this up forward or what I'm going to do. But all of that will be in the coming weeks as I figure out and kind of navigate how to record this new way.